Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I am going to be unboxing the Boxycharm base box. If you're new to Boxycharm has 3 different levels of subscription boxes you can do. This is the first level you can do. This retails for $25. If you would like to see what I got in my box, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. When you open it up, this is your first impression. Oh. So far, I see something that I wanted. So I'm going to start off with that. But before I start off with anything, I just want to introduce myself to anyone who's new to my channel. My name is Aisha. I do lots of unboxings on my channel of makeup subscription boxes. I love mystery boxes and I do lots of makeup hauls. If this is something that you're interested in, then I would say please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It will be greatly appreciated. I am new to YouTube. I've been on here for, I want to say, 4 months, and I appreciate each and every person who's been subscribing to me, and I'm excited to start this journey with you guys. It's becoming a family, and I love each and every one of my new subscribers, and I appreciate everyone who's been supporting me so far. Alright, so without further ado, let's see the goodies. Let's see the goods. So this is the card that they gave us for this month. And it says sunshine, which we've definitely been getting. It's been very hot lately. It does have the prices. I'm so happy that Boxycharm has been giving us, the last couple of months they've been not giving us the prices and not the cards. So I'm happy they started giving the prices and the cards again. I am going to start off with the thing that I'm most excited about. This is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. So I've honestly am so fortunate that I've got to know this brand. I never used anything from this brand prior to Boxycharm. I have all their loose powders that I got from Boxycharm. I now have the primer, that watermelon primer, the watermelon gloss, like that oil gloss. My collection's growing, so thank you, Boxycharm, for that. But this is what the box looks like for the Everyday Vacay Ciate Primer and setting spray. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I like it. Very pretty. I love setting spray. So let's do a first impression on camera. So let's see first. Okay. I like to see what I'm getting myself into, because sometimes it just squirts like a splat of water in your face. Sometimes it's I just got a whip of that. It smells like coconuts. So yeah, like I was saying, like I just want to make sure that it's gonna spray a certain way so it doesn't mess up my makeup. But it sprays evenly. So let me do a little spray to my face. Smells like coconuts. It smells like a pina colada. This is what it looks like. So very excited for this. This retails for $22. And keep in mind the box is $35. Boxycharm always goes way over the value. So I never have to worry about that. But that's $22. The next thing I got is, something from Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder. That sounds exciting. I got the color 24 Karat Ray. Alright, I'm excited. I didn't have anything from Fenty Beauty prior to Boxycharm partnering with Premium, and they did like a takeover and the whole box was Rihanna Fenty. So that's the only stuff that I have, but now I have something to add to my collection. This is very pretty. I love the packaging. Ooh, it says FB on the inside. And let's see what this looks like. Let me put some upside down. And let's see. Ooh, it's very pretty. I mean, I don't know if this is going to go with my look because I'm giving silver vibes. This is a little gold, but I'll put a little bit on. Let me see, which brush should I use? I'll use this one. Just a little bit of this. Let's see her. All right, I'm going to put just a little. I'm lightly doing it because I don't want any gold on my makeup. Let me see how that looks. Oh, it's pretty. I'm just very lightly, because the look today I was going for was not like anything goldy. I wanted to do silver. And I didn't want to do a highlighter with my look today. So, of course now I am, but let's see. Yeah, it's pretty. I just wanted to see if the color was going to look good on my skin tone, and the color is good with my skin tone. Had I been doing like a bronzy goldy look, I would put a lot on, but like I just want to see how the, and it's nice. It's so you can, at least you know you can wear it soft. Some highlighters, they just go 0 to 100 real quick, like the song, but this one you can build it because I like this brush. This is a Morphe brush, the R31 brush. I like it when I want like a soft highlighted look to my skin, and I don't want like a heavy. It's not very dense, so it doesn't pick up a lot of color, so it just gives you more like a airbrush look. Very nice. All right, so honestly, I loved my Boxy Premium box. If you didn't get a chance to see my Boxy Premium unboxing, that was the last video that I actually posted. I'll put it in the description if you guys are interested in watching. I loved everything in my box. Everything. I got 2 palettes in there. Boxycharm has done right by me this month for sure. And so far, 2 for 2. Alrighty. Let's see what else I got here. The next thing I got is Babe Lash Essential Serum, which looks like this. I want to say I got a Babe Lash Serum in my FabFitFun box, which obviously I didn't get a chance to use yet. Like I'm using right now, I think I'm using Grande Lash. I haven't finished that yet. I don't think I've been using it consistently enough to see if it actually works, because you're supposed to use that stuff every single day, but like, I don't know, I have so much stuff that like my routine is not, every day is probably something different, but so I can't tell you if it works, but this is what the packaging looks like, the actual product. I like that it's like gold. They're giving you gold vibes. Is this upside down? Yeah, it is upside down. Hold on. There we go. Babe Lash Essential Serum. So I'll eventually I will get to this, because if I could use something to make my lashes grow, why not? Then I don't have to wear falsies. I probably would still wear the falsies though. Like, who am I fooling? So this is something from, oh, how much was the Babe Lash? The Babe Lash Essential Serum was $59. So that one thing overpassed the price of this box, which is honestly why I love makeup subscription boxes, because it's such a good deal. Like if you love trying new products all the time, then it's just like a no-brainer. Like, do a makeup subscription box. It doesn't have to be BoxyCharm. It doesn't have to be Ipsy. It doesn't have to be any, pick the one that speaks to you. All of them speak to me, unfortunately. I have no drawbacks. And they're like, Aisha, buy me. Every single month, a new subscription, they're like calling me in my ear as I'm sleeping. I'm like, all right, I'll subscribe to you. I'll get you. But hopefully you guys have better self-control than me when it comes to subscription boxes. But nevertheless, this is something from Nude Stick. This retails for $26, and this is it says Rock and Roller Easy achieves eyeliner perfection. I'm just reading it to get to the point of what this is. Smudge-proof, waterproof liner that stays put for 24 hours. That sounds interesting. So it's an eyeliner, but it's like a bronzy color. So I'm just going to shake it really quick, and let's see how the color comes out. How does this work? It's a very weird brush. Let me show you guys how the brush looks, because I may have to take time to figure this out. But this is what the brush looks like. It's not like a regular eyeliner. It's like wide. So do I do it sideways maybe? Oh, wow, 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 wow. See, eventually I figure it out. So let me see if I could explain this to you guys. You know, like at a pizzeria, when you go into a pizzeria and you're like, let me get one slice, and they cut it with that rolling thing that to cut the slice. Well, it's like a little, tiny little rolling thing. I don't know what name I would call it, but you have to put it on its side, and it's like a little roller. You roll it, and that gives you your line. So it will be something like this. Let me see if I can do it while I'm on camera. See? Voila! Okay, so that's interesting. That it's a little different. Oh, I get it. Rocket and Roller, Easy Eyeliner Ink. I get it. Get it? Rocket and Roller. They were good with that one. Good job, Nude Sticks. Good job with that one. Alrighty, so I see I got a palette. So I got 3 palettes this month from Boxycharm. 2 yesterday, 1 today. Alrighty. This is from Per Cosmetics. This is Per Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. I've never tried anything from Per Cosmetics. I do know that it's a clean brand. Everything's all clean. So I'm excited to try this because I've never tried anything from them. So let's see. But I'm all about trying like clean products. So rather late than never, right, guys? All right, let's see what this bad boy looks like. I love this palette. Is giving me like shagadelic vibes. Like, woo. Ah. No, let me stop. So let's see. It says Festival 2.0, so I don't know if they have another version, 1.0. All right. Also, we got a beautiful mirror. Hi, Aisha. Hi, beautiful. All right, sorry. So this is what the palette looks like. The palette looks beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I'm very excited to try this palette. I have to say, yet again, Boxycharm, you outdid yourself. I love everything in my box. I love my palette. I love my Fenty glitter balm. I love my Babe Lash Essential Serum to make my lashes grow. I love my Vacation Ciate Lunde Vacation Setting Spray. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I don't know if I love the nude stick liner because I mean normally I do black or brown and I don't really see myself doing like a eyeliner like this on my skin tone. I don't know how that's even gonna look. Curious to try it, but that's the only thing I'm not like excited about. But I love 4 out of the 5 items, so I'm very, very happy for this box. Good job, Boxycharm. This gets a 9 out of 10 for me today. 9 out of 10. Alrighty, so with that being said, that is the end of my video. If you watched the end of this video and you enjoyed my video, can you please do me a favor and subscribe? Show your girl some love. I would greatly appreciate it. Help build my YouTube family. We're growing strong, 4 months and going strong. Alrighty, so give this video a thumbs up also if you liked my video, and I'm actually gonna do a Marshalls haul right after this because I went shopping today and I bought some stuff. I know. Every single week I've been going to TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but this week I was good because I only went to Marshalls and I didn't go to TJ Maxx. Kind of because I was running out of time and I had to come home to do something. So it was a good day. It was a good day because I saved. I only went to Marshalls. And I got some really interesting good finds. So if you guys want to see what I got from Marshalls, stay tuned for my next video that I upload. And that will be everything that I purchase. I miss you guys. I'll see you guys all soon in my next video. Bye.